Welcome back to the 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge. This is day 6, almost done with our first week, and I hope you're feeling good and enjoying the simplicity of this way of eating. A reminder that we are tracking weight loss progress weekly, and after week 1, you will likely see half a pound to 1 pound of fat loss. In this video, I'm sharing 2 meals that I've made recently to give you some ideas of simple, filling, low-fat vegan lunches and dinners. First up, a delicious soup with ditalini pasta. You can use any macaroni noodles or the baby shells. And this is sort of like a minestrone, but with lentils. In a pot with 6 cups of water, I added in 3 diced carrots, half a diced onion, and 2 diced stalks of celery, and a peeled diced potato. I didn't measure most of the other ingredients, and while this might be annoying to those of you who like to follow recipes, I'm just trying to show you how I cook in my real life. So to prove the point that you don't need to use precise recipes once you get the hang of cooking with these veggies, starches, and beans. And I mixed in some frozen corn, a can of unsalted petite diced tomatoes, and then I added my spices, which were cumin, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. And I let that cook for 20 minutes. Then I added some leftover lentils, which I had previously cooked in my rice cooker, and the ditalini pasta. I added in some liquid smoke for a hickory flavor, and then let it cook for 20 more minutes. This is my daughter's bowl that I'm showing you. She likes it with more broth, which is an option. And then next I'll show you mine, which is drier. My soups are usually drier like this. I don't really like them watery with a lot of broth. So I'm just going to show you the 2 options. And then I added some nutritional yeast to mine, and that's it. Next up, a mango black bean sweet potato salad. And I used my favorite lettuce that I found since moving here to Arkansas. It's delicious and it's perfect for lettuce cups. I use it for that a lot. But this time I'm just going to use the entire head of lettuce chopped up in a salad because there's quite small heads of lettuce. So I usually use 1 per salad meal. And I defrosted some mango chunks and then diced up a peeled sweet potato and baked it in the air fryer for 15 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit. I mixed in approximately half a can of black beans and also added in red onion, 2 diced stalks of celery, and then drizzled balsamic vinegar over it and the juice from half a fresh lemon. Then I mixed it all together and that's it. And I said that I used a sweet potato. I actually used 2 sweet potatoes. Sorry about that. And thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.